how to uninstall apps on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To uninstall an application on your iPhone, come to your app menu. Locate the application you want to uninstall. Press and hold it until you feel the app tick. Click on Remove App. Then from the pop, click on Delete App. Then it should say deleting this app will also delete its data. That shows the application will be uninstalled completely on your iPhone. Click on Delete. That is going to delete the application on your iPhone. Alternatively, you can go to your iPhone settings. Click on General. Click on iPhone Storage. And then hang on until the iPhone storage page opens. Then click on Show All. Locate the application you want to delete on your iPhone. Click on it. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete. And then hang on. And then that's it. That is going to uninstall any application you follow this process on your iPhone. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.